Welcome to Random Rides, Episode 1, Extra. Today, I'm sharing my best tips for keeping your car running great for a really long time. My Mercedes-Benz CL500 has gone an amazing 250,000 miles, and it still drives perfectly. How? By taking good care of it regularly, and even doing a bit extra. Let's get into my high mileage tricks that will keep your favorite car going for years to come. First, let's talk about the engine, which is like the soul of your car. This is about more than just changing the oil. It's about a special routine that keeps your engine super clean. Forget what others say about how often to change your oil. For me, it's a must-do every 4,000 miles for both the oil and the filter. This isn't just a simple change. It's like a fresh start, making sure only the best, purest, synthetic oil goes in. I like Liqui Moly, but any good brand will work as long as it's the right kind of oil for your car. Before that fresh new oil goes in, I always give the engine a deep clean with a Liqui Moly engine flush. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a crucial step to clean out the inside of the engine. Here's where things get really interesting. For high mileage cars like mine, I swear by Amtech Engine Restore. It's like a protective liquid that helps parts slide smoothly against each other, making everything last longer. For cars with fewer miles, Zato EX120 is my secret for keeping them in top shape. These important fluids need the same great care as your engine oil. If you ignore them, you'll regret it. Every 50,000 miles, when my transmission gets its service, I put in fresh fluids made for my car's transmission, differential, and power steering systems. Again, Liqui Moly is my favorite, but any good quality brand is important. For even more protection and better performance, I add a special boost from Zato to my transmission and differential. It's like a shot of energy, making shifts super smooth and keeping things reliable for a long time. These often forgotten parts keep everything in your car moving smoothly. Don't wait until you hear a squeak. My rule is to replace these belts every 50,000 miles. I use Continental belts because they're strong and reliable. You might think I'm too careful, but replacing them early is my way of making sure I don't have unexpected breakdowns. Modern cars rely on a lot of electrical signals. Keep those connections clean to avoid annoying problems, at least once a year. I carefully get to the electrical connections I can reach and spray them generously with WD-40 Electrical Contact Cleaner. This amazing spray gets rid of moisture and dirt, making sure every electrical signal works perfectly. Rust is a silent killer, but not for my car. My car's underside gets a strong shield against rust. I regularly spray all the metal parts under my car with a lanolin-based rust protector. Think of it as an invisible armor that fights off rust. WD-40 Specialist, Lanolin, Rust Prevention, and Super Tall Anti-Rust Fluid are my go-to products. Don't forget the important rubber bushings. Spraying them regularly with silicone oils keeps them soft, flexible, and ready to absorb bumps. This stops them from getting old and cracking too soon. Smooth windows show you take good care of your car, but be careful with what you use. This is key. Use a quick, dry silicone spray on your window rubbers. A wet spray will just attract dust. WD-40 Specialist Dry Lubricant and Tableau Dry Lube are my trusted friends for making sure your windows slide up and down easily, year after year. Your car's inside is your personal haven. Treat it with the care it deserves. Cleaning and conditioning your leather regularly is super important. It's a gentle routine that stops, cracks, and keeps it looking fancy. Your dashboard takes a lot of sun. Cleaning it often and gently with mild products is the secret to stopping ugly cracks. Keep those carpets spotless. If you need to wash them, always follow up with a fabric protector spray. Tableau Fabric Protector Spray is a great choice for keeping your interior safe. Your wheels are like the exclamation points of your car's look. Keep them shining without using harsh chemicals. Skip the harsh acids. Iron active cleaners are your best bet here. Gentler, but work incredibly well at keeping your alloy wheels sparkling with regular use. Simon's Iron Active Wheel Cleaner is a winner in my garage. Being able to see clearly is most important, and a clean, protected windshield is your window to the world. For a perfect view, I use Rain X or invisible glass. These aren't just cleaners. They make your vision better by pushing away water and keeping your glass perfectly clear. My biggest secret for the car's body is simple. Be consistent. I'm always looking for that perfect shine with different polishes. One thing is always true. I wash my car every single week. It's not just about how it looks. It's about getting rid of dirt that can cause damage before it has a chance. Making sure my paint looks great for decades. There you have it. These are my high mileage tricks that have helped my car defy age and keep going on adventures. What are your best tips for making your car last a long time? Let me know in the comments below. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video of high mileage tips. In the next episode, I will be visiting on request a channel viewer, where I will showcase the random things they have done to their ride. With all YouTube channels and videos, please like and subscribe. Click the notification icon, leave your comments, okay? And I will be counting on you all to grow this channel.